This might be one of the more innovative drone setups that I've ever seen. It's called the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. It's an awesome little 8K drone, which is crazy to think. But what makes it really cool is actually some of the accessories that you can get. So first things first, we have this. This is the Thermo charging case. So you can just put your drone in here. It magnetically opens and closes like so. Your drone can literally just fold and slot into here. And the thing that's cool is that this is designed for freezing cold temperatures. So if you're on the slopes and you're really into skiing, you can literally just slot your drone in like so, close it up, and it's going to make sure that nothing inside is going to be damaged. It can withstand freezing cold temperatures. It's going to charge your drone. You've got the little display there. And then you can also output power to other devices like maybe your phone or something else that you might be using. So that's one of the coolest accessories that you can get for this brand new drone. But then another accessory, which is very, very cool, is this controller here. It's a modular controller, comes in 3 pieces. We have the beacon, which is a little tracking beacon. It's got a little kind of joystick or direction pad, a pause and home button, power button over here, and it's very simple, right? So you can use that independently. You can connect it up by just powering it on, and it's that simple to then just connect it up to the drone and use that as the tracking beacon. So there we go, we see it powering on. And then from there I can go, oh, actually I want motion controls now. So that's simple to just connect on, and we now have a little numpad kind of thing, a little joystick with the little remote. And so I can press this button here and move in real time like so to get those motion controls. So it turns literally into a motion controller. Now it doesn't stop here because we have this other little piece here. Magnetically connects in, that's how simple it is. So from here I can pull out, swivel down, and now I have a full controller. Double-handed controller, that's simple. I can put in my phone in here to get some more functionality, flip it around, close it down, disconnect one at a time. It's just that simple to do, very, very unique. And yeah, this is some innovative technology right here from 00 Robotics, which is the guys that do the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. There it is, Pro Max. 8K camera, which is insane. Very cool little drone. Can't wait to show you guys more of this.